Becoming circular isn't a switch you flip. It's a transition, a journey. For companies, that journey means rethinking how they design, make, use, and recover everything. But what does that transition actually look like? Let's walk through it. Step 1, awareness. Every circular journey begins with a mindset shift. It's the moment when a company realizes resources aren't infinite. Waste is a design flaw. Circularity is a business opportunity. This often starts with a sustainability team or a visionary leader or external pressure from regulators, investors, or customers. Once the why is clear, the how begins. Step 2, mapping impact. Next, companies take stock. What are our material flows? Where do we generate the most waste? What's our carbon footprint? How long do our products last? Where do they end up? This involves life cycle assessments, material audits, and value chain mapping. The goal is simple: make the invisible visible. Because you can't fix what you don't understand. Step 3, setting a vision. Now it's time to define a circular ambition. Some companies aim for zero waste. Others want 100% reusable or recyclable packaging. Some focus on product as a service models. Others build circularity into their brand. Whatever the goal, it needs to be clear, measurable, and inspiring. And it needs buy-in, from leadership to the factory floor. Step 4, designing new models. This is where innovation kicks in. Companies experiment with modular product design, shared logistics, repair networks, take-back schemes, digital product passports, leasing instead of selling, circular procurement. It's not just about new tech, it's about new logic. Not how do we sell more, but how do we create more value with fewer resources. Step 5, piloting and scaling. Small wins matter. Companies run pilots in a product line, a region, or a facility. They test new materials, trial new business models, gather data, learn fast. Then, if it works, they scale it up. This is where many transitions stall. Why? Because legacy systems resist change. That's why successful transitions are often cross-functional, involving design, procurement, logistics, finance, marketing, and IT. Step 6, embedding circularity. Over time, circularity moves from side project to strategy. It gets built into KPIs and performance reviews, supplier contracts, R&D roadmaps, brand values, investor reporting. Circularity becomes part of how the company works, not just what it says. Step 7, advocating and evolving. Mature circular companies don't just change themselves. They help change the system. They join coalitions, support policy, educate customers, share best practices, invest in infrastructure. They understand no company goes circular alone. This is a systems shift. Examples: Philips is transitioning to product as a service in healthcare. H&M is investing in textile recycling and rental models. IKEA is testing take-back programs and secondhand stores. HP is using closed-loop plastic from old cartridges to make new ones. Each one is at a different stage, but all are moving forward. Because the future is not linear. It's circular, and the companies who lead this transition, they won't just survive. They'll thrive. This is how we go circular, company by company.